Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to make vertical text in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to here to choose a template to create a design. I will choose presentation. After a presentation design page is created, we can go to the toolbar. We can find text, click it, and then we can add a text box. So we can type it. For example, I type vertical text. And then we can click on the empty space to apply the editing. Now we can select the text again, and we can click and drag the right edge to squeeze it. So we can make the text vertical. So we can make all the text uppercase, and we can make it bold to make it obvious. Furthermore, I want to add the space over here. So this is how we can make vertical text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.